Hello, beautiful souls. My name is Jane Warren Campbell. I've been bringing through light language since 2003. And in the collective tune up, I tune in to the mass consciousness of everyone and bring through light language that would best serve our evolution at this time. Light language very quickly dissolves old programs and then will encode new light frequencies to lift our field and to activate our DNA into a new way of being in the world. It's a very powerful, fast frequency technology that humans are awakening to more and more. Thank you for listening and receiving this light language activation to awaken your greatest potential in this world. And I truly appreciate your support. As my channel grows, more and more people will be activated into these higher frequencies, which really will make a difference in this world as we're holding these upgrades. Your support can have a big impact on my channel, so thank you so much. And now let's move into the light language activation tune-up for the collective.
Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my lovely outdoor office. I am so blessed to live here and have access to the ocean and mountains and trees. Very blessed. And today I want to offer the collective tune-up light language activation to the water. This beautiful dancing water. I once received my spirit name from a First Nations elder, and she saw water with the light dancing on it like this, and she said, "Great Spirit, I'm still not sure what the name is," and she was told dancing water. That's my spirit name. And here we are in front of the dancing water. It's so beautiful. And it's the perfect place to tune in and offer healing to the water. And the more of us who listen to this video and bring our own personal loving energy and care into this tune-up for the water, the more the waters around the world will be impacted by this. So I thank you for being present and invite you to just center yourself now. Just kind of slow your breathing, whatever way is natural for you. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable. And just imagine pulling all your frequency back into your own personal field, bringing it all in closer to you. And as I'm bringing through the light language, I would invite you to imagine in whatever way you would see it, the healing of the water, perhaps as pristine and clear and free of any pollution and happy, and all the discordant frequencies that the water has to hold have been purified, whatever feels right for you. We will do this as a collective, so this is like a different way of doing a tune-up, but as we know, we're all 70% water, which interestingly is pretty much the same amount of water that there is on this earth. I'll just pause while this plane goes overhead. And so when we heal the water, we're healing ourselves, no question, and we're healing all life. Everything on this planet depends on water. So it's a beautiful gift that we're offering today. And I thank you all for being with me and sharing in that. So let's start. I'm close to a military base, that's why it's a beautiful sunny day and they seem to be pretty active today. Few little streams coming out behind the plane, so I'm glad I'm getting out today because tomorrow may not be the same. At any rate, let us move into the light language. Ooh. Hishakwa e kako siatakia kaya no shiatakia ka. Hushakwa e tako e kaya no shiatakia kaya no satatakia shataka ashkanahataka esiki. Hisakwa e tako shikaya ni amasiya takakania kaya so takia sha. Makse tako shiakwa e kanataka ishkanahataka esikia kaya so. Ashakwa anakia kaya no shiatakaha. Mo shikanaha takia sai. Ho shikia takia satakia shataka ashkanaha taka esiki. Hishakwa ana kosiai kosia takia kasiataka. As this is coming through, I'm seeing humanity waking up to our impact on the water, and also as we're dissolving the old systems and creating our new world, I'm seeing great reverence for the water. We would never do anything that was harmful to the water, and instead take great care to honor the water and do what makes the water happy and feel healthy, keeping pollution away from the water and creating systems of receiving water in our homes that actually enhances the water, makes it healthier, like taps that create vortices that the water feels very healthy and restored from. Hichikaya no takia shatakia sataka ashkanahataka esiki. Ushakwa ea no takia shaya kasiataka. Hashiaka kea no sikia naya kosiataka. Makshikaya tosia wasikia natake esiki. Ushakwa e takoshiakwa ea kaya no siatatakia nasha. Makshikea kosiatakia kai. I also see us learning a lot more about water. And I know Zach Bush is certainly discovering new things about the water in our bodies, that it's not like the liquid water that we drink. It has a different constitution. And I see us learning more and more about that information about water that's been held from us and kept back. And so this whole new awareness and understanding of what water truly is coming alive in our world again. Hushikaya no shiatakia kastakia saka. Makshe takoshiakwa iakaya no sia. Ashnikaya tosia tikia sha. Maksiatake kishia tachkiana. Maksikaya toshiakwa etiki. Hishikaya no siatakia kasna tike sikiata. Ashikaya toshiakwa akini. Hushakwa etakoshiai kasiataka. Maksikaya hotake hosana hosana. Maksikaya toshiatakiaka. Ishakwa enakotia sikiaka. And now I see us anchoring codes into the water. Beautiful codes of light that the water will retain and hold. And it's impacting the geometric expression of the water. And for the water, it feels like it can be what it wants to be again. It's like it's being restored to its more pristine nature, what it would be if it weren't having to hold other frequencies that have been created through discordance. Huchikaya no takia satakia shataka ashkanahataka esikia. Maksikaya tosha kakania kaya tashiataka hashkanahataka esiki. Ushakwa ak kianaya kosia. Hishatakia katsune kati. Hisakwa e takoshiaya kasia. Maksikaya toshiakwa. Kahaina tanewa. Mikatashea kosiakwa e. Hashinatkai hosika. Tiakane tako. And so to finish this light language activation for the water, I'm just going to lift up my camera and show you a broader view of where I am so that you can just soak this in. I hear another plane coming, so I may turn the sound off and just leave you with time with the water. So much love to you, my friends. Thank you for your presence.